we are going to learn about Microsoft Excel 2007. So as you can see, I am scrolling and I am going to click on particular Microsoft Office Excel 2007. So मैंने इसे उठा के साइड में रख दिया है. So whenever you like to open, you can directly click on it. As you can see, Microsoft Excel open. Okay, so one button you can see, it is a office button, and here many options like new, open, save for saving files, save as. If you want to save your file again, print, prepare, send, publish, and close option. So you can close your file with it. Now shortcuts you can see in this, like you can see many options. These are shortcuts, you can use it. Now this is the title bar, okay, and whichever name of your file will be visible on it. Suppose I am going to give my file name Ishan. So as you can see, Ishan name, okay. So here one option is minimize. Your file will be minimized, okay. One more option is here. आप अपनी स्क्रीन को छोटा कर सकते हैं with this option. And one more option is here, close button. So with this you can close your file. Now you can see here scroller. With this you can scroll your file left or right. And with this scroller you can scroll your file in up or down. Now this is the zoom panel. You can zoom your file. If you will click on plus, it will increase. If you will click on minus, it will be decreased. So students, sheets option you can see, you can create many sheets. Okay, आपको जितनी sheets चाहिए आप create कर सकते हैं. You can click on it as one option you can see. So according to you, you can add many sheets. So students, as you are आप जैसे कि देख रहे हो बहुत सारे options here. So we call it row or columns. Okay, columns को हम ABCD से गिनते हैं और rows को 1 2 3 से. columns को हम 1 2 3 से गिनते हैं, हम काउंट करते हैं, and rows को ABCD से. Okay, I said opposite, but yeah. So students, Excel is very smart application, and you can calculate very easily. You can create any file whichever you like in the Excel and spreadsheet. Okay, spreadsheet also called a worksheet is a big sheet containing data. So Excel में हम जो भी फाइल बनाते हैं हम उसे बोलते हैं spreadsheet. So I have written here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So I am going to write here in full form. What you need to do, select, click. Just आपको अपने माउस के राइट बटन को क्लिक करना है, उसे ड्रैग करना है. Okay. Now I am going to write here Jan, Feb. I am going to select it and I am going to scroll it. Okay. Now you can see automatically सारी जो भी है Jan, Feb के बाद जो भी आता है वो सब डायरेक्टली इंसर्ट हो रहा है. I am going to write here full form January, February. Again I am going to select it and I am going to scroll it. So now it is in full form. Now I am writing here 1 2 3. Again I will select it and scroll it. Press your left button of your mouse and drag that. Now if you want to make any table, it is also very easy. I am writing here 2 and 4. Now select and scroll it.